Nestled among ancient glacier-cut hills, Keuka Lake is a special place in New York's wine region. This video, developed by the Keuka Lake Association, is intended to show how the lake level is managed, with the spotlight on the people who make it happen. The KLA is a nonprofit organization with a mission to preserve and protect Keuka Lake and its natural beauty for future generations. Changes in rainfall, drought, and ice conditions all affect the lake level. Let's discuss the mechanics of the process and then the governance. Picture this system of 6 gates at the Main Street Bridge in Penn Yan releasing water into an outlet canal that flows to Seneca Lake. When the level is high, gates are open to allow more flow from the lake. However, outflow must not exceed 1,000 cubic feet per second in order to prevent downstream flooding. When the level is low, gates can be closed to maintain a minimum level in the lake. It's important to recognize that the gates must always allow a minimum flow of 15 cubic feet per second from the lake to help dilute effluent from Penn Yan's wastewater treatment system, located just downstream in the outlet from the gates. This is true even when the lake is lower than target. Remember, the only way to add water to the lake is rain. Extreme rain events can raise the lake level a foot or more within hours, but with all gates open, it can take multiple weeks to then get back to our normal level. The Keuka Lake Outlet Compact, or CLOC for short, is the team behind operation of the gates. CLOC is a team of senior elected officials from the 8 municipalities that share the lake. They have responsibility for managing water levels. The Penn Yan Public Works Director operates and maintains the gates at the direction of CLOC. They follow a playbook that sets target levels throughout the year. The Reservoir Regulation Manual Keuka Lake Outlet, developed by the Army Corps of Engineers, outlines the strategies that maintain the lake's level. You can see the target lake level as a range between the dashed lines and the current level from Keuka Lake Association's webpage. You can also see historical data and read more about lake level control there. Note that the target range is lowered in winter to prevent ice damage. The chair of CLOC and the director of public works for the village of Penn Yan talk regularly to coordinate gate settings when they need adjusting. CLOC meetings are held bi-monthly. Representatives from the Lake Level Committee of the KLA join these meetings to represent the interests of lake users and the general public. In addition to providing oversight, the KLA oversees and provides funding for the lake level measurement system in Penn Yan, as well as monitoring the backup system in Hammondsport to ensure reliable measurement and control. The KLA records and makes lake levels available via its website. As the sun sets on Keuka Lake, this collaboration between the Keuka Lake Association, CLOC, and the village of Penn Yan works together to keep our homes safe and our lake viable for generations to come. Thank you for your interest in Keuka Lake. Until we meet again, keep your curiosity alive and keep exploring.